Best 100 Modern Front Yard Landscaping Ideas. Top tips and ideas that can add serious curb appeal to your home garden. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us if you haven't already to watch new videos daily. Aside from location, curb appeal is one of the greatest contributors to your home's value. And what makes or breaks your curb appeal? Your front yard landscaping. In fact, a Michigan State University study found that a good landscape can add 5–11% to your perceived home value. After all, your front yard is the first impression that people get when they drive by your house or walk up to your front door. Revive your landscaping and bring new life to your curb appeal with these easy DIY projects. And best of all, these are all projects that you can do over a weekend without breaking the bank. Add rock features. Even if you use a different material for a garden bed border, adding rocks or stones break up the profile for an understated natural accent. In many cases, front yard landscaping ideas with rocks can serve an important function too, like making a rock spillway for your rain gutters that will keep an area from getting too muddy. Other ideas include breaking up a bed or adding pea gravel borders to your walkways. This project will only run around $20 to $50, depending on how much surface area you're covering. Add lighting. Landscaping lights are inexpensive, as cheap as $20, and most often solar powered. This means you can simply choose the color lights that you like, stick them in the ground, along your walkway, or bordering a flower bed, and let them power themselves to light up your front yard at the night. You can also upgrade to standout features, like lanterns, lighting that recesses into a walkway, or even faux rocks, with integrated lights that seamlessly blend into the landscaping. Upgrade a bed border. By simply upgrading or refreshing the border on your flower beds, it will change the whole look of the plants and features already there. Pavers, pre-made blocks, and natural stone retained, with a $30 plastic lawn edge kit, are all good candidates, depending on your home's style. Plant ground cover to hide unsightly areas. Not all yards are flat, and grass won't grow in all places. You can use a ground cover, like Pachysandra, to add greenery and color to areas where shade or slopes make it difficult for grass to grow. With seasonal maintenance, ground cover can look neat and professional without overtaking the parts of your yard where grass and other features shine. Plant perennial shrubs in front of your house. Once you plant perennial shrubs, like azaleas or hydrangeas, they will give back year after year as they bloom and add color to the front of your house. Many are fairly inexpensive, around $40, and are easy to keep up. Be sure you consult with an expert at your local nursery for info on how to plant them with enough space, when to prune, and how to trim the perennials to prevent unwieldy growth. Make a garden bed around your mailbox. Plant some creeping jasmine or annual flowers next to your mailbox. Make a simple border to contain a little bit of mulch. This whole escape can be achieved for about $75 and can add color and personality to the end of your driveway. Haul out old mulch and refresh. Just because there's mulch in the garden bed doesn't mean that it looks good. Mulch can dry out, leaving your beds looking worse for wear. Revitalize your landscaping with a dark-colored mulch that will contrast with your shrubbery and flowers. You can buy bags of mulch at your local home or improvement store for less than $10 per bag. The amount of mulch you will need will depend on the size of your flower beds. Build a flower bed around a tree. If your front yard already has a tree, adding a flower bed will give it a lot of character. These beds should match, or at least align with, the beds at the front of your house. Add color, in the form of annuals or perennials. All in all, this project will likely cost $100 to $300, depending on the border and plants that you buy. Improve your grass. A drab lawn can immediately take away from your house's initial cuteness. By renting an aerator machine for around $100, you will greatly improve the penetration of nutrients for a fuller, healthier-looking lawn. Even a simple reseeding with a $50 to $70 bag of seeds will help fill in thin spots and prevent patches on your whole property. Dear viewer, thank you very much for watching the video until these seconds. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us if you haven't already, so that you receive new and distinctive videos.